For one reason or another, your opponent couldn't play their league match tonight, so you'll be given a bye into the next round, but you still need to inform the league admins by going into leagues and groups. Select your originally scheduled match, and then click Continue. Next on the bottom, you'll have Forfeit options. Click that, and you'll be given two options. Select Match Winner, and select yourself, as this will forfeit your opponent, and admins will be notified, and your match point will be added to the standings. You can also follow along with matches and schedules and leagues by going to cgcdarts.com and selecting the CGC Darts Connect TV page located in the side menu. Here you'll be able to find all the match center, all the latest stats, averages, and league standings. This concludes the forfeit options tutorial. Shoot well and have a great season.